Greetings, how to buy Chiliz Coin. How to buy fun tokens. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencies.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Chiliz Coin and fun tokens. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy Chiliz Coin. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission, kickback links and codes. Now, this is our website, cryptocurrencies.net. You can find all the information about cryptocurrencies, so easy. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy Chiliz Coin, videos and articles and news. Now, we should go Chiliz page and click. On this page, we can get all information about Chiliz Coin. So easy. Binance links and codes, videos. Now, how to get Chiliz Coin. Just one click. Let's go.